2 Jamaica Defence Force soldiers are dead and 2 others injured following a motor vehicle crash along Old Hope Road in St. Andrew early on Friday morning, November 11. The deceased soldiers have been identified as Nicarda Harrison and Mario Powell. The police say the crash occurred about 3:30 a.m. in the vicinity of Waterfalls.
This collision occurred about 3:30 a.m. whilst the car was traveling southerly along Hope Road, right heading towards Matscana.
Their reports further state that Harrison was driving a blue Toyota Yaris motorcar with 3 passengers aboard when he failed to negotiate a corner, causing the vehicle to veer into a wall at the side of the roadway. The car was extensively damaged.
It's alleged that the driver failed to negotiate a left-hand curve, and as a result the vehicle head straight and collided into a perimeter wall. From the extent of the damage, it is evident that some level of speed was involved, and based on the absence of certain critical evidence on the road surface in terms of braking or tire yaw marks and scuff marks, such like that, it is evidence from the initial stage that there was not much reaction that had taken place in terms of trying to maneuver around a curve or to make some adjustment as it relates to the speed at which the vehicle was traveling.
The police say all occupants of the motorcar received multiple injuries and were transported to the University Hospital of the West Indies, where Harrison and Powell were pronounced dead. The others were admitted, one in critical condition.
It's unfortunate that all 4 occupants of the vehicle were seriously injured. Right, 2 of them succumbed. One, from information that is coming to us, is still critical in the hospital, and the 4th one is sort of stable. So we're just hoping for the best, and that at least those 2 can remain alive. But the investigation is at a critical stage now. Right here in my hand is the damage event data recorder, which we call the black box. So I'm going to spend some time to analyze whatever data I can get from it as to identify, what sort of activity the vehicle was engaging at the time of the crash. So that's basically the most I can say at this point.
The latest deaths bring total road fatalities since January 1 to 399.
I was coming out of the bus. So when I come out of the bus, I see the impact right there. So I come inside and the security tell me that 2 men pass off out there. So, but one thing I have to say still, people have to take time and drive. You understand what I say? If you come from party, I know say you're full joy yourself, but what thing I have to tell you, just take time and drive. You understand me? I say, because life is so precious in this time. Alright?
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!